Snoop Dogg has just bought Swansea City Football Club. To celebrate this and to milk it for all it's worth, because these videos are doing especially well, particularly on TikTok and YouTube, I'm giving him an A to Z so he doesn't get confused. Let's have a look at it. E is for ew, as in you. In America, Snoop, you might say, "Are you using that ew?" as in a sheep, a female sheep. In Wales, Snoop, you might bump into somebody who says, "Oh, Snoop, are you using our ew, Snoop? Oh, Snoop Dogg, see our Uber there? Are you using it?" You'll notice here, Snoop, that ew is you and use. In certain parts of Wales, people don't say use, they say ews. Like your Nigel Owens on the rugby. You can't turn over the ruck. You can't turn over the ruck. You need to use the ball. No mitigation, and as a result, they'll use it in a penalty kick out. See, Snoop, sometimes you can be ew. Also, using can be oozing. I know that's very confusing. So if somebody says to you, "Oh, Snoop, oozing that ew," have a look around you, Snoop, or have a look around you, because you might see that there's a sheep and it's not being used, so somebody might be looking to use it, and then you can pass them that sheep. Have a good day, Snoop, and follow for more.